Hey everybody, it's Tommy Makes Pins. I'm Tommy. Today we're going to be making a deer antler slimline pin. Let's do it. What you're going to need to start is a pen kit. I'm choosing a gold slimline kit. What I'm going to grab out of the bag first, 2 brass tubes, and we're going to mark up some deer antler blanks. I'm looking through my scraps here, and I got one that's already cut to length pretty good right here. It should fit this one pretty well. Now we're going to find another one that should fit this all right. Should fit it perfect. Now let's get them drilled. Alright, now that we got them cut up to size, let me grab the 7mm drill bit and we'll drill them up on my drill press. So it's not as straight as you'd want, but all I really do is orientate it in a way where it's going to go straight through and be perfect for our brass tube. Alright, now that we've got those holes drilled, now we're going to glue those tubes in with some thick CA. First thing I do before I glue them in, I scuff these brass tubes up, gives the adhesive to stick a little bit better. Let's do it. Alright, next step is to trim the blanks flush with the brass tubes. Alright, next step is to chuck them up on my lathe and turn them down. CA finish. I use Mercury CA. I apply CA glue at the lowest possible speed my lathe goes, and it's 750. Some lathes can go, if they're more premium, can go lower, but this is what I have for now, and it works totally fine. Next step is to micro mesh it. There's plenty of different finishing options, but I use micro mesh because it seems to work well for me right now. Alright, now we're going to finish it with some plastic polish. I use one-step plastic polish right now. But any plastic polish I think will work. Alright, now that we got these pen blanks finished, we're going to grab the components of the kit and we're going to press it together. So this is called the nib, and we're going to press it into the front end of this blank. Fits perfect. Next is the transmission. So this style is a twist pin. This makes the ink retract. Press it in on this side, right to that little mark right there. Now I like to make sure that my ink actually retracts to a good length outside the nib. I think that looks pretty good. Let's move on to the back side. So this is the clip, and this gets secured on this end. Alright, now that we got that finished, we'll just put this pen together. The center band goes over the transmission, and then you push these two pieces together. There you have it. I'll post some pictures after we're done talking, and I'll see you guys in the next one.